Hello, this is Adi from Business Management Department. Today I will introduce you to Financial Shared Services System, also known as FSS system. FSS system is developed to receive the finance-related payment approvals by initiating a payment application form with necessary attachments such as invoices, receipts, vouchers after getting reviewed and approved by the management. After it reaches the approval stage, the money can be collected via cash, bank draft, or a check. This is the main dashboard of FSS system. Here you can select the picture. Here you can select or switch company. Here you can choose the language, English or Chinese. Now I will define FSS functions and their purpose step by step. Home button. During the utilization of FSS system, you can come anytime to this home button. It will take you to the FSS dashboard. Finance and inquiry. To do, on task, past task, drafts, notification. The to-do function shows a list of pending items. On task shows application initiated and processed by the user. Past tasks. It shows tasks that have been approved from the user end. Drafts. It shows the draft list of items, applications. Notification. It shows information related to tasks, passed, rejected, returned by the concerned user. Now coming to Finance tab. Receivable collection application. It shows collection items that can be received. Non-contract payment application. It shows an application for non-contract payments. Statement of contract confirmation. It shows contract confirmation before launching in the contract payment section. Advance payment application. It shows the application for an advance loan. Advance adjustment application. It shows an application for an adjustment of loan. Contract payment application. It shows an application for contract payments. Reimbursement application. It shows an application for reimbursement. Journal application. The journal application is used for journal payments or miscellaneous payments. Now coming to Inquiry tab. Query contract statement. It shows a query against the contract statement. Search. It is for general search of approved or in process payments. Thank you.